Today we have these Minecraft Crocs. I originally ordered these from Famous Footwear, but they canceled my order because they were out of stock. So when I placed it, it was low stock. A few days later, after I went in with the order, they just canceled it. So I ordered this from Finish Line, and it was lost. It was lost somewhere in some other city, but it finally came through. So let's go ahead and see what they look like. Here they are. Something else in there. Here's the little arms for it. These are like hard plastic. I really like these. Made in Vietnam. These are size 11. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charms. Open these up. All these are hard plastic. Let's go ahead and install these. These are really easy to install. You can put them in whatever order you want, or you can buy some different ones. It's up to you. Let's go ahead and put the creeper here. Let's go ahead and move this one in the bottom. Have them spread out here. There we go. It's probably the first time I see these like in 3D. I don't know if it's going to be in the way while you're walking there. So this is the first time I wear Crocs. Depending on these, how comfortable they are, I might buy another pair and show you guys. If I do buy another pair, it might be the Creeper ones.